Hello beautiful people. It's your girl the Clipper Cut Queen. I'm speaking to you about keeping your clippers safe. A young client of mine asked me what the spray was that I was using on my clippers. I explained to him that it was a multi-purpose spray that cools, lubricates, and disinfects my clippers. Lubricant is your clipper blade's best friend. When your clippers are running, the metal blades are constantly rubbing together causing frictions. The lubricant keeps the blades from getting too hot and also from wearing down. Lubricant preserves the overall lifespan of your clipper blades. Now, the cleaning and disinfecting function of the spray removes excess hair and bacteria from your clipper blades, keeping both your clippers and your clients safe. I'm your girl the Clipper Cut Queen, signing off. Stay tuned and stay sharp.